1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, everyone. What's up? All right, so who is in the chat? So is this going to work? Guess who is back, chat? Guess who is back?
Oh là là, la crème de la crème club. A new croissant, the best club on internet.
25 gold, 25, what's up? Logic Slayer, good morning. Derdacle, salut. Eterness, Guy on Moose, Frico, what's up? Zago, hello. Pension Man, how are you? Mirko, good morning. HFR, dude, what's up? Varis, good morning. I've been waiting for Cosmic Gaming Test. Not holding my breath though. Same. Oh no, Chairmax took control over the stream. Bobby is back, dude. This is the big news. The chair is here, but Bobby is back too. The big link. Hello, Italian man. Buongiorno. Sono francese. No italiano. Hai capito? Popolvar, what's up? Sandro Roble, good morning. Hey on site, what's up? Epic Square, hello. Guy on Moose, thank you very much for your support. You went back to La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you, my friend, for all your support. Mainly, superly. I don't even know if it's English, but like, thank you very much, dude. Really appreciate it. And welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club. Papa! 10 months, dude. Aralat, good afternoon. Jerome, hi everyone. Another creamy stream. Will Cosmic Desktop take us to the star with good gaming performance and no pants benchmark? We don't know, Jerome. We don't know, dude. But we'll see. Bobby, how are you? Dude, Bobby is great. Look at him. Whoa! Bobby is back, dude. Salut, Mathias. Team, welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club. Blocked because I have no money for the tube. Salut team. Thank you very much. You are doing a lot on Patreon, so I'm really thankful for that too. Thank you very much, dude. Team, thanks a lot. And welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club. Papa! Gribou, what's up? Sven Ivanov. Hello. The man behind the mask. Salut véhicule. Yo, what's up? J'ai l'air d'arriver à l'heure? Yes, you are on time, buddy. Mr. Driver, hello. Linux for all, what's up? AC2, what's up? Xed, hello. Bobby is back from vacation. Yes, so he's back from vacation, but listen to me. He crashed, okay? He took some little vacation and he came back. He took some time, but everything worked out at the end. We couldn't live without him, right? No worries, team. All good, dude. The bed is getting crowded. I know. No, this is not good, man. I only did a brief test with Cosmic myself while testing older game and it failed to Windows properly with the first game. I will stick with KD from now. Okay, thank you for your feedback. Konstantin, greeting from Germany. Guten Tag, my friend. Vintage Techie, what's up, my man? Chat, he sleep with a 4090 and a monitor now. Oh, you can tell, huh, dude? Yeah, talking about the monitor, it's gonna be a lot of first today, okay? Did you change Stream PC on GLF OS? Aralat, that's a good question. I installed GLF OS, but right now I'm running Windows. I didn't have the time to set up all the seed and switch everything with the new Linux install. So it's installed on the other SSD, but I didn't have the time to set up everything. I've tested Pop OS on my PC live USB. I will say when I'm test. Okay, okay. Hello, bro. How are you doing? I love your content. Thank you very much, Ezam. I'm doing fine. What about you? Salut Supersonic. Merci pour tes vidéos. Thank you, dude. Thank you for watching. Christophe, good morning. Okay, everybody is here, chat. I think I got everyone. Salut Brini. I have a question about the last YouTube video. About your NAS server. What is the OS? TrueNAS, Proxmox, OpenVGavolt? So it's Debian with the repository of Proxmox on top of it. So technically it's a Proxmox. But originally it was a Debian. The install on my NAS server is 8 years old. Like I didn't have to reinstall Debian for 8 years for this NAS. I'm gonna put a screen in the Discord chat. Doverine, you are now proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club, papa! Bobby's back, thank you very much for your support, dude! And this is on Jeff Bezos. Thank you, Doverine, and thank you, Jeff Bezos, to support Linux. Haha! Bobby is back! Bobby! Dude! Please! Okay, he's back. Did you change the camera? So, yes, this is Bobby. It's Ozbot Tiny SE. That's what it is. I made a video about it. It broke. It broke, but now we are back. So, fixed it, and hopefully it's not going to break again. Oh la la, chat, this is so good. So, you remember I told you I was not able to get the pass-through working? Well, now it is working. It is working. We officially have the pass-through, chat. This is so good. So the issue was related to the USB cable. No, not USB. To the HDMI cable I had. They were not good enough. But now I have a 4K 140 Hz pass-through while I'm streaming. It's gonna be awesome, chat. It's gonna be really awesome, dude. Okay, so I have Pop OS here with Cosmic, like the official version. But what we're gonna do a Cache OS install, and I'm gonna selection Cosmic during the install. I think this is what we're gonna do, dude. And on Friday, I'm gonna test Pop OS. Like that, we're gonna have the full week of like Cosmic on an optimized distro and Cosmic on the original Pop OS, which is also optimized, but to see how we perform, right? And we're gonna have like a 2 days, I would say, difference between the two benchmark. I think it's enough. It's fair enough, dude. So we're gonna start with Cache chat. Yeah, I'm trying to think right now. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, let's go. I tested Pop OS with Cosmic as well. Everything was... I need them to polish animation and over little D stuff. I don't like to be an early tester, even on stable version anywhere. Makes sense. So when are you doing a home lab live stream? So William, I think it's gonna be maybe in January. Not for now. I'm not doing the home lab live stream because you will see, like, there is more to come for the home lab. Like, way more to come, dude. Oh my gosh, this is so good, dude. The full pass-through. in 4K, chat. So I just want to check. I think it's a little bit small, no? Yeah, I see it. Watch. He sees it, dude. And I have a black screen. Oh, okay. I think I know what's happening. It's just my screen takes too much time for the thing to set up. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. Apply. Then it should show up. Come on. Keep. Yes. So we are in 140 Hz, dude. Pass through. 4K. So my screen go up to 240 Hz. Yeah, you can see it there. Okay, so I don't have to unplug anything. Dude, this is so good. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger.
Ouh là là, la crème de
Global
la crème
scale.
club. A news croissant, the best club on internet.
Man, this is odd, no?
Ouh là là, la
150
crème de la
maybe?
crème club. A news croissant,
Dude,
the
it
best
doesn't
club
scale
on
up.
internet. Ouh là
So
là,
here it did,
la
okay.
crème de la crème club.
We'll see after, I
A
guess.
news croissant, the best club on internet.
You are using an
Ouh là
older
là,
version?
La crème de la crème club.
What?
A news croissant, the best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on internet.
So can I mount it? No, I can't.
Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
Okay, well, who
A news
cares?
croissant, the best club on
We're gonna
internet.
try it. Linux for All, thank you very much for the $5 donation, the super chat. Let's go. Let's go, Cosmic. Thank you very much, my dude. And we also have like Vintage Techie, my man. You shouldn't have done that, broski. Thank you very much for the 5 gifted. Thank you, Vintage Techie. You didn't have to do that, but I really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Guys, if you got a gifted membership from Vintage Techie, please thank him. This is awesome, dude. So we have It's Rangy Pinball, Stefan, Stoan VA, and Ryan Varsetiadi, and Angel of Death. You are now proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club because of Vintage Techie. Vintage Techie, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, dude. This is awesome. Okay, let's install this real quick. Yes, Toronto, it's us. English, US, international with that key, yes. So we're gonna install on my Kingston. Yes. Erase. XT4 because this is what I run. Okay, perfect. So now next. So yeah, this was GLFOS. I'm gonna erase it, chat. Okay, and now we're gonna go with Cosmic. So let's see what he installed in Cosmic because I'm curious. Okay, so it's just there is nothing special regarding like CachyOS, right? It's just the Cosmic, like everything Cosmic. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. Cosmic. By the way, my secret password. Yes, that's the one. Salut Civilova. It makes you wonder how GNOME and KDE manage on volunteer donation work if System76 is struggling getting a DE going. I don't think they are struggling that much, right? I think it's just... It's their first iteration, right? Versus GNOME and KDE, which have been there for such a long time, right? Angel of Death. What is going on? Who is going crazy with Gifted? Whoever you were, I hope your arch may never break. Dude, enjoy the membership. And guys, if you like the show, don't hesitate to continue the membership. It helps a lot. And also if you like the perks, you know, like the little emote or the access on Discord, etc., etc. Well, I'm probably going to out myself there, but you can convert that CRS to a router or the one in your office. Yes, William. So I was having a discussion on Discord yesterday about that. Funny you are mentioning it. Alexei, what's up? Pop! OS installer was bad experience for me. I chose Russian keyboard. And most installer had both Russian and US layout in this case, but Pop! OS only added the former and I wasn't able to log in. No way. Salut Pluton. What's up? NT Ziris. I think there is a new file system better than XT4. Depends what you do with it. It's XT4 is good enough for me. Blender Noob. As an artist and musician, tiling window manager don't really work for me, but I wish I had a Hyperland or i3 for my desk job as I have a Windows and document everywhere. I feel you, dude. Why CachyOS on XT4 and not BetterFS? Because I don't use the feature of BetterFS. Especially for a test like that, I don't need it. Vexy, my man, how are you doing? Pro tip Air Max, on 4K monitor, set your screen to scale by the system and then reboot. Oh yeah, I think I need to reboot. That's the issue, right? Because like on my Linux install, it doesn't look like that. It just looks really odd right now. I think it's just the first install that look odd. Last Spooky, what's up? Top of the morning is Jack Vepke. I don't know how to spell his name, sorry. What? What? Who is that? It's like Solus when they started Budgie. Yeah, that's what I think. I think they are kind of like struggling a little, but they're not really struggling either. It just takes time, right?
La crème de la crème club.
Okay, William, discussion was with you.
The best club on internet.
Chat is going so fast. I might miss some of you guys. I'm reading right now, but I'm like, What do you think about XFS? It's good. Like for me, all the file system are okay, right? It just depends what you do with them. XFS is good too. But my favorite is XT4 for my usage, right? And for everything related to NAS, I like ZFS. Because I use those features, right? Do you use Secure Boot or disable it? I don't use Secure Boot. Ijaz-Osan 4425. I don't use it, dude. Gribou, j'adore ton accent French. Merci, Gribou. Thank you, Gribou. Venicila, you are back to La Crème de la Crème Club for 10 months. Let's go! Thank you very much for your support on Twitch. Thank you very much, dude. And we also have Shady King. Shady King is now a proud member of La crème de la crème club. Thank you very much, dude. Much, much appreciated. For now, Cosmic is not ready. I just used GNOME with Pop Shell installation extension. So we will see, dude. I want to try, right? We will see, dude. We will see how actually like Cosmic perform. I have no idea. Last time we tried, I couldn't even launch a game. So they released, I think, 5 days ago, 6 days ago. Allez, let's say 1 week ago. So we'll see where they land, chat. We'll see where they land. Mr. Copy, Russian name, I guess. What about F2FS? I never use this one, dude. ZFS for NAS and Red is got, yes. All right, so where are you? 240. This is the one, chat. So, Mr. Deveray, do you use passkey on Linux? If you do, would you consider doing a guide video struggling to find simple resource about how to set this up? Yeah, I use passkeys on Linux. There is ton of like written guide about setting those up. And the thing is, like, when you say struggling to find simple resources about how to set this up, it's not that hard, but it's hard to understand it for the first time. When you get into your head, using like passkey is pretty straightforward, dude. Gribou. I try to switch to Linux, but I can't stand one like more than a day. Well, Gribou, I've been using Linux like as a main computer for gaming, content creation for almost 4 years now. And I'm not going back to Windows, dude. I'm not going back. As a concept, Cosmic is amazing, but yet there is still need more work to do. Okay, so we'll see. So this is our logging manager. Man, like this looks very nice. Okay, so I'm going to put my secret password. Hi Max, how are you today? I'm doing good. Have you seen the OBS Pipewire plugin that solves the audio issues? No, I'm not aware of that. I didn't have any update on my bug report. Can you give me the name of the plugin itself? Just for me to double check. That would be awesome, Christness. Like, if you want to give it in chat or on Discord, that would be really nice. Cosmic is pretty good now. Was some mouse problem for me in games, but it was pretty okay. Some minor performance issue here and there, but they are getting there. They really need to change the default background. You think? I don't think it's bad. Cosmic still need work, but good first release. Epoch 2 upcoming. Xero, how are you doing? Have you ever tried Gen 2? Yes. Yes, dude. Salut Arnold. I used Gen 2 for a while, like on my server at the time. What do you use to store local passkey without something like YubiKey? I'm struggling to figure out what to use since KD Wallet doesn't come with the support for Fido 2. Oh, okay, I know what you mean now. Okay, so guys, first, cheers. I know what you mean, Mr. Deverite. So I don't think we're gonna dive into this right now. I think I want to focus on Cosmic, okay, bro? I remember someone doing like a Doom Eternal login screen for Cosmic ages ago. Try OBS Studio Pipewire plugin. I tried it, fixed it, all my problem with GoXLR Mini. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try, dude. I think I already tried it. But maybe they upgrade it or something. I heard the mouse pulling rate in Cosmic was bugged in the initial release. Hey, salut VKid Elite, what's up? So, this is Cache OS with Cosmic. Cosmics need to be supplied with mushroom. Okay, okay, I know where you're going, chat. Okay, I know where you're going. Alright, so there is one. Alors, scale, 200%. This is way too big for me, chat. So we're gonna go 125. Yes. Tell me how it look on your screen if it's too small. You tell me. Okay. This one, we're gonna deactivate. Yeah, so this one would deactivate. Okay, and now we're gonna focus on this one. I'm gonna go 144 Hertz. It's a little small. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit bigger for you guys. Okay, so we're at 144 Hertz. Perfect. Let's do 150. Okay, 150 better, chat. Man, this is so good, dude. Like, listen. I like the screen, okay? It's not perfect. I'm gonna have to make a video about this. This is not perfect, okay? But let me tell you, like, the fact that I have, like, 4K 144 Hertz pass through, I'm really happy. And what I would say is, like, if you have a LEG versus if you have an IPS versus OLED, like the 144 Hertz seems like almost like I wouldn't say a 240 Hertz, but like a 200 Hertz in the middle, right? In terms of reactivity and stuff, it's actually pretty neat. It is actually pretty neat. So it makes my streaming way more enjoyable, because on the previous one, I had to unplug stuff. I had to unplug cable. I had to play with the thing all the time. Each time I stream, each time I don't stream, it was a pain. And now it just works. I was looking to a bastard distro the other day. You can mix all Linux system to one, like using Arch, Debian, and Fedora at the same time. Yes. Well, you can do that on every distro, Vexy. Just install like what's the name? Distro box, and you will be able to do that. Because I think the distro you are mentioning is just providing this out of the box. That's all. Sensei, how are you doing? I can't even begin to imagine how much work a new desktop is to make, but I really don't like how it looks. So wait. Let's get into it. Okay. I won't be the guy that, you know. This looks good. I won't be the guy that tell you, you know, this is how it should be or whatever, because I don't have a good, I would say, I like that better. You know, I'm not the guy who's gonna be like the specialist, right? In terms of this, I don't really care. I just want the game to work. I want the thing not to crash. That's the way I see it, chat. So you got a lot of options. I think there is people who have a gift for that, right? Oh yeah, okay, I like that better. Okay, because I don't like when it's... Oh, okay, got it. So you can choose, right? You can make it a little bit more like, you know, discreet. We're gonna keep it this way to keep the vibe, okay, chat? So can I enable this? So do you use any SCX scheduler? Yes. Okay, variable refresh rate is on. Does your screen have VRR flicker? No. I have other issue than VRR flicker, but I don't have VRR flicker so far. I didn't see it. I have like the black, so maybe yes, I have VRR flicker, but during the loading time, when I have like 2 FPS on screen, it does the flicker stuff. So it's just the black which are not really black, they become gray. This is what it does. But outside of that, I have no flickering. But I have other problem. Are there battery life improvement for laptop? I have no idea, dude. I can test that. I'm testing on a 9800 X3D and a 5090. Like, if I plug a battery on this thing, it's gonna implode. I'm not even kidding, dude. I'm not so. So Gribo, can you speak in English, please? That would be great. Everybody speak English here, and vehicle same. English only, boys or girls, I don't know. So, okay, like the visual again, like I don't really care. So I think this part is more like, you know, it's really personal, right? Ah. Oh, okay. So you have access to everything. Nice. So this is my video card, and this is my sound card. Okay, so we're gonna start to play with each other. What? Okay. This is cool, chat. I have to say, this is pretty cool. I personally like it. Okay, so I know some of you are gonna be, no, this is bad, this is good. I like this, chat. So where is it? Where is my stuff? Yeah, it's here. I like it, chat. So my shortcut for opening new window, yes. Okay. Oh, you have to click here, okay. So this one, pipe wire, fast fetch, yes. I like it, dude. I like it, chat. So to open, normally it's Meta E, right? To open a new Explorer, at least in most of the other GE. But it's not there. Try to press Meta Y. What does it do? Oh, this is when you go to tile. Okay, got it. So if you do this, you go into tiling manager. Okay. So let me see like the configuration overall. See how everything is, right? If it's smooth or not. So you see when I do, oh man, this is odd. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay. Man, the thing is super active, chat. I have to say. The desktop experience so far is pretty dope, chat. Okay, so I'm just making sure like this is clean. Okay. Alright, so 988 packages, pretty good. Yeah, so we're on the latest CacheOS NVIDIA driver here. I don't even need to check that. This is awesome. Let's restart. Wire plumber to set up my sound card. Okay, let's see how we come out here. Also, new file manager, new terminal, everything is new. Congrats to the developer. Okay. Alright, it's working, dude. So it sees everything. Okay. Okay, I mounted my hard drive. Nice. Alright, okay. Power and battery. So balanced. Turn on the screen. Never. Automatic suspend. Never. Okay, clear to the point. Input device, mouse. Okay, so mouse speed. Enable mouse acceleration. No. Yeah, feels right. Okay, pretty straightforward, I would say. It seemed little bit minimalistic, but okay, default application. Okay. Okay. Okay, 4, 5. Install the package for gaming chat. I just tested the beta of Rounded Corner on Cosmics. Look much better. They also had Drop Shadow. Oh, you're right. It's not there. You're right. Can you try to edit a video with FFmpeg in the Cosmic? Yeah, we could try that. Let's try gaming first. I don't see why it wouldn't work, but I want to see what you can do and cannot do first. So my first kind of like worries was related to the sound, because when you look at the how to say that, like the settings there, they seem like minimalistic and stuff, but you really have access to what needs to be accessed, right? Compared to the sound manager, for example, on GNOME or KDE, so it's fair. right? This... Oh, wait. This is triggering me a little bit. For example, we are at 100%, but the line here is not in the middle. I don't know if you see it, chat. Like, that's the type of little detail, but I'm like, am I weird? You know, like, I'm like... So I don't want to really mention them, but... That's the type of things that kind of like mess with my brain. You think it's related to UI scaling? Okay, let's try. No. No, it's not. So it's just me, chat, right? You should, I believe, System 76 watch Cosmic Review. So I deactivated disable amplification. This is what I just did. Or did I miss something? Where is amplification? Oh, this I don't care. Yeah, oh, got it. Because you need to deactivate it. But still, it shouldn't be aligned, dude. It's just me. But like, at the end of the day, I don't know if this is important. Right? This is a question I'm like... You know, it's like, who cares? But... Okay, so I need to get used to that, chat. Alright, so... Does it run Wayland? I hope so. Yeah, it's on Wayland. So they have their own, like, compositor here. Cosmic Comp. So this is what really interests me, chat. The compositor. So the sound, it seemed like, obviously you use Pipewire, and the interface lets you, like, switch stuff by yourself, which is good. It's super minimalistic, but it gets straight to the point. Here you can see that we can disable vsync, right? Because it's not written anywhere. Okay, so don't touch this, Airmax. As a software engineer, creating a full desktop environment in Rust, where they first had to create their own graphic library, is an amazing accomplishment. Yes. So that's why, like, you know, I don't want to be this guy. But I see the vision here. So now, we can enable tiling or not. So, tiled floating... Active int. Okay, so this is the little surrounding, right? Yeah, it changed it for whatever reason. Okay. First name, last name, what's up? Leonardo Cecconi, how are you? Okay. I tried Cosmic and I said cool, but why use this when KDE exists? I really like Cosmic. It's like a minimal KDE, but I feel like it's a little bit unpolished. Yeah, that's our first release, right? Okay, so how do we... Oh, all the apparents are there. So do you want me to go through that, chat? This is so no for me, dude. I feel so out of space, chat. Is it going to ruin my OLED, that? Because it never moved, right? It never moved, chat. Oh yeah, then you can change the little applet there, okay. They have an accessibility one, okay, pretty good. And I guess you can add some of them. New haircut? No, no haircut, dude. No haircut, man. That's the new haircut. New haircut is no haircut. Air Max truly only likes KG. I think I just like what I'm used to, like, to be fair. So that's why I don't want to be, you know. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you can make it transparent. Wow. Ooh, this is cool, dude. So do we need the dock? Nah. So me, you know, I will use that, chat. Can I remove the panel? I don't want the panel. If it was just me, I don't want the panel. I will remove it, dude. You can auto-hide it. Oh yeah, okay. Allez, bye. Bye, panel. Okay, so let's try to do what I will do, actually. How do I switch from one panel to another? So this thing is supposed to auto-hide, no? Automatically hide panel. Doesn't hide. You can remove panel. If you remove all the applet, it removes the panel. We sure about that? Yeah, so when I full screen something, he removed it. Okay. So if I do that... Oh, okay. Now we talk, chat. Okay, now we talk. So let it like that. Okay, we're gonna live with it, okay? But me, I will remove all of it. But, okay. It give me this option. I'm okay with it. Alright. Okay, so now... Now we start to talk, dude. Now what I want to do... I want to have like 3 workspace. And I want to know how to move from one to another. So where can I find the shortcut there? So I guess it's gonna be in the keyboard. Customize. Okay. Alors. Switch. Work. Okay, no. So workspace. Migrate workspace to up and down. Move window to next workspace. Shift. Bro. No. No. So I want this. Focus previous workspace. If you replace it. So let me see, like, okay, no. Cancel, bye. So this doesn't work anyway, so. Ah, they do them like that. Okay, I don't do this like that. So can I have more workspace? Okay, so I'm going to show you what I would do, okay, personally. So I will do previous. Yes, replace. So previous will be this one. Replace. Next will be this one. Yeah, replace. Doesn't work. Cool. So what did I miss? Move Windows to the next workspace. Switch. Move Windows to next to previous. So this is the same, right? That's moving Windows. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to move this window, like I select it and I press that, and normally it should move it to the next one. But it doesn't do it. Okay, so this is up and down. Oh, okay. So yeah, so migrate workspace to output down. Move window to last workspace. Super Shift 0. So let's focus together, okay? Let's focus together. So I'm gonna do everything to chat. We're gonna put everything to default, okay? So move Windows. I want to move the window to the next workspace, okay? So this is how you switch from left to right, okay, which is cool. No problem, okay. Now I want the windows to go to the workspace, let's say 3, for example, okay? So I have to check move windows to next workspace. It's the one, right? Add another one. Okay. And the way I move windows is control, super, and right. Is yes. Okay, so now I grab the window here. It doesn't move it. Right? I'm doing exactly the same thing. Because this is, I think, what makes a desktop environment cool is when you can do whatever the F you want with it. Oh, here they say move window one monitor down. Oh, maybe this is the one? Ouais. Yeah, replace, sure. No. Okay, so this is when you have multiple monitors, so it's not the same. Change to horizontal desktop. How do I do that? Like that? Nope. No, dude. Yeah, something is odd, brother. Like something is not done here. Which is fine. But it's just buggy. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. This is how I will use my workspace. This is actually how I use it, right? So it will be tiled, and then I will be like, oh, I go to one to the other. But then what you need to do, right, is to be able to, yeah, but okay. No, I don't like that, dude. I want it up and down. No. So you open it, I guess, on another one. Yeah. Okay. I think this is cool. Like, don't get me wrong, chat. I don't want to be too critical because this is our first iteration. So I can't imagine the amount of work they put in that, right? How do I change this? Okay. Okay, yeah, now it makes more sense to my brain. Okay, so I can't really do what I want to do, dude. And I have the feeling that it's getting to be in tile mode or not tile mode. Wait a while. Okay. So now if I do that, and I do, I don't know, Firefox. Maybe not. Maybe. What are those? Oh, it sent me back to it. Bro. I'm too old for that, dude. Like, I think the whole interest of the launcher is to launch a new one. So... Oh, okay. Okay, got it. So you can roll back to one of the other. Man, you know what is messing with my brain, dude? You know what is messing with my brain? Vintage Techie, you need a second window open so you can move one. So thank you for the two. So wait. So you need to open one. So the workspace, what is interesting here is like you can have one without... The heck did I do? So one with tiling and one without tiling, chat. It's actually awesome, this. This I like. Right? Like this is pretty cool. I'm reading the chat! I'm reading the chat! Dragon Slayer, what's up, my man? What's the RAM usage like compared to KGE? I don't know. That's a good question, though. Three gigabytes. But this won't be representative. KGE will be the same, like 3 to 2. So each workspace have its own styling preference. Yes. So wait, Vintage Techie was trying to tell me something. So if you want to move the window, you need to have a window open. So what was the message? You need a second window open so you can move one. Okay, I'm gonna give it a last try, chat. So, input device, keyboard. Workspace. Okay, so move window to the next workspace. Okay, that's what I want to do. So what I want to do is control meta, and then because it's the next one, I want right. Okay, control meta right is used by focus, but we don't care. Okay. Okay, so in paper he removed it, right? So let's say focus. I want to make sure he removed it because maybe... Yes. So he removed it, okay? So now I want this one to go on the next. And it doesn't work. You can't move from 1 to 2 if that leaves nothing on... Okay, so... Okay, got it. Okay. So you can't move it. Okay, this is good. So let's do it again. No. Hey, Vicky Elite. Listen, my man. Just be patient, okay? Like, I understand the frustration and whatever, but it's not like you paid for it, right? So, the way I see it, I just tried on mine and it works. Your keybind are messed up. What the? Okay, so what will be the other keybind? Okay. Maybe it does. Maybe there is a bug with my keybind. So Control, Super Shift, and down. So Control, Super Shift, and then it works here. Bro, so there is one. So here it works, dude. If I do this way, it works. So there is a bug if you replace, right? If you replace the actual shortcut with something like specific like mine, it just doesn't work. But here it works. Can you tell, chat? I'm moving between 1, 2, 3 here. Yeah, custom keybind is bugged. At least the one I choose. Because if I use a normal one, watch, it's working. When you have time, answer my question. I don't know. It's really far. I don't see your question, Brini. Salut Warlord Attack. What's up? Unreal Tournament got released. What? Arnold, what if he paid because he gave donation? Well, it's a donation. Like you know, if you give money to someone in the street, you don't expect it to do something special, right? You just wanted to give because you wanted to help. That's the way I see it. Papa, I love Linux, but I got a question. Should I sell my 5090 and switch to 9070 XT just for gaming? Will it give better performance? Depend on the game. There is some game where 9070 might kind of like perform like a 5090 on Linux. But personally, I would not. But you do you, dude. Live streaming simultaneously on Twitch and YouTube. Is there no problem with that? Twitch had no policy to prevent that. Yeah, they changed it. You can multi-stream now. They don't care. I will wait for NVIDIA new driver. The new one give better frame time on Arc Raider. NVIDIA is cooking, in my opinion. Yes. Okay. So that's pretty sweet. Outside of like the fact that I can't use my shortcut. But I like the fact you can have like a different like tiling settings for each workspace. So this is really cool, I have to say. Listen, I know there is a lot of people who are upset against it right now in chat. But I kind of dig it, dude. I dig it very much. It's super like reactive, and you kind of like the, I wouldn't say the Hyperland experience, but you're not far from it, and you still have like, you know, GUI and stuff. Like it works out of the box. It's, I don't know. I think there is a place for this desktop environment in the Linux desktop environment ecosystem, right? I think you can multi-stream if you are their partner. Yeah, you can now, Wales. They remove everything. Don't be worried. And listen, dude, if Twitch has something to say, they come say it to me. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think it's gonna be a problem, chat. Xero, thank you for the super chat. It's called Epoch 1 for a reason. Cosmic is still in the oven, like a pizza, one layer of toppings, more toppings coming out to make it whole, lol. Now I'm hungry. Yes, I agree with that. Yeah, we can't expect to have like everything working right off the bat. And you know, that's why I wanted like so much to test it like when it was fully released, because I know like some of the viewers, they will be like, oh, this is trash, this doesn't work, blah blah blah. I'm like, bro, this is their first release. They have been like doing some alpha testing for like what, like 1 year and a half. It's nothing, dude. It's literally nothing compared to all the other distros which have been in business for years. So let them cook and let's see where they land, you know, chat. Like, that's the way I would see it. But this thing, listen, dude, this thing is fast. Like, this is reactive. You know, it's like the feeling you have when you switch from Windows to Linux. Like, this thing is freaking fast, dude. I have to say, like, this is a fact. Right? So, I'm really curious to see how it's gonna run in game chat. So, I'm gonna launch Steam. I like their launcher, too. I like their launcher. The fact they have like a nice launcher like that. This one, I will need some time to get used to it. But it looks better than the KD one, for example. Cosmic is developed in Rust, that's why it's so fast. You're trolling me, no? Okay, so I'm logging right now. Or at least I'm trying. Man, the QR number came so big on my screen, dude. That thing is huge. What the heck is going on? Okay. Man, I don't know what's going on, but something is wrong with... Something is wrong with the size of my thing. Wait, I'm gonna show you, dude. Look at this. This is huge. I don't know why it's scaling like that. Okay, so let me do the settings. Like, okay. Okay, I'm mounting the drive right now, chat. I'm sorry about this. We should have sound now. Okay, so everything is configured. Ah, okay, sound is here. Oh la la, chat, we are looking so good. So I don't know what's going. I don't know what's going on with this, dude. Unlike the OS from System 76, Cosmic D is going to be on a rolling release cadence. Expect bug fixes and enhancements at a rapid pace. Nice. I've been using Cosmic on my ThinkPad for 3 months. I love how snappy it is. Just don't use KD apps on it. If you value your sanity, you have been warned. Okay. I had that Steam bug with NVIDIA card. Forget what caused it. You had it already? Thank you for the donation again, Xero. Appreciate it, man. X11 Windows System Application scaling in settings. Okay, let's do that. Yes. So this is, I think this is the place, right? Alors, global shortcut, we don't touch. X11 Windows System Application Scaling. So what am I supposed to do here? Optimize. Okay. Maybe I need to restart it. Okay, we restart chat. Okay. So I was not this one, I guess. Okay, optimize for application. Yes! Okay, we did it, chat. We did it. Nice. Alright. So... Oh yeah, you know what I did? I tried Tomb Raider with Proton. It was actually pretty cool. It was actually pretty cool. Alright. So this is a native version, chat. Let's see how it goes. This is small. That's what she says. Dude, this is small. It was big and now it's small. Oh! Alright, so 4K, please. The heck is this, dude? Okay. Yes. The game launch, huh? So you can tell like there is some thing going on with the like Windows scaling. But honestly, it's fine. It's not like game changer. Is that 8K? No, it's just 4K, man. It's just. I don't know if you remember, but there is some game I could not play before. So I don't remember the list, but I couldn't even launch a game. And look at this now. How are you liking Cosmic for gaming so far? I didn't try. This is our first time for gaming, so... Oh, you could put it at 8K? Hmm. We could try, Leonardo. See what happens. So last test we made, we were around, I think it was 237 FPS, chat. So we'll see how much we get there. Salut UCHR. I've been looking forward for Cosmic to finally get out of alpha, beta, and now that it did, I'm just wondering how the FPS frame time and latency compare to something like KG Plasma. Yeah. "4K, 8K, you won't see the difference. I've tried on blind test. I can't tell the difference." Yeah, I'm pretty sure my GPU is gonna feel the difference. Test the new flight simulator, please. I don't own one. No pants, chat. So, how does Cosmic compare to KD? We're gonna have the answer like in 1 second. So we are 11 FPS, 11 FPS lower than KG right now. So just for science, chat, I'm gonna do it at 1440p and see where we land, okay? So on this one, we said it was what? 367, I think. Does the cursor move to the other monitors? What do you mean by that? NT-Series. I'm using only one monitor right now. No pants? Another no pants, chat? Okay, let's take the bet in chat. Just for the lols. Let's see where we land. Skirts, no pants. I will go with no pants again, Jude. No pants. Yeah, but it's very smooth. I'm thinking they force V-Sync, right? So we'll try, but... What is this skirt? No pants? So there is a random... There is a dude which randomly wear a pants or not when he's like buying his meat at the market there. And the weirdest thing is like during the benchmark, you have like Lara Croft, like the main character. You can see it there, which is like staring at her butt, at his butt, sorry. And depending on the run of the benchmark, he will wear a skirt or not. And look, this time he has a skirt. I lost. HRF Jude won. Propad, it's skirt time. You see? Look, she's looking at it. Two for two. So 351. So it's kind of the same amount, right? So it will be 10 FPS less for whatever reason. Here will be 16 FPS less than KD. Okay. So this is 8K? Doesn't seem right. 521. Like this is 8K, chat? Anyways, we're not doing this. I need to keep this graphic card. Don't want to burn it right now. Okay. Good learning, dude. So this works. That's 4K ultra wide. Okay, got it. So 10 FPS less. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna... Should I make note about this, dude? I don't think we should, but... We're gonna take some notes. Yeah, 368. You see, this is how much we gained. That was the max, chat. So I'm gonna do old school like that, because... I will be for Friday, dude. Pa 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 pa. Whatever. So how much did we make, chat? I don't remember. And I think I'm gonna keep it to 4K now, dude. Or we stay in 1440p. 1440p we did 351. Actually, what we can do is this. Okay, chat. Okay. Alright, so I will be... That will be the test, dude. Sorry, I might be confusing, but I know what I'm doing, don't be worried. Okay, so this was KD last time. I expect, yeah, it was 360, I think. Let me double check real quick. Yeah, okay. Alright, so this was KD last week. And this is for today. So I'm just gonna push it here. Here we go. Okay. $7680 by 4320 pixel is 8K. Yeah. So we are really, really far from that. Since the dynamic desktop, you have to at least one window open per desktop. The only option is maybe to pin them to the sidebar. I don't know. Why would I need that? Yes, but you do make the update because you are on the old version of CachyOS. Yeah. No, it's fine because during the install, it's just working. I don't know why I had this message. Maybe set your keybind and restart Cosmic's desktop. Terminal velocity. Can you check if you are watching the stream live? Because you might be a little bit delayed. Super surprise, Cosmic is not more performant. Rust is a lie. The crap people are wrong. I guess it's time to run all distro on 4K. Yes, I'm gonna have to do that. But right now we do with what we have, right? So yeah. We do with what we have, okay? Let's try another one, chat. Game is launching too, dude. Sound is here. Pretty dope, chat. Man, I'm so lost with this freaking resolution. So which one is which? Oh, it's this one, 4K, I guess. Yeah. $521 by 2080 is 5K. Wow, okay. Oh man, this is good, dude. Okay, so those FPS are not super relevant, but think about it. We are running at 360 FPS, dude. In 4K. This is smooth too. So I'm wondering, like, it certainly forced VSync. And my mouse, dude, my mouse sensibility is like through the roof. It doesn't seem right, dude. The mouse sensibility doesn't seem right at all. So we'll see with a game where, you know, different type of game, but I can tell, like, yeah, it has 100%. I don't know why it's like that. So someone was mentioning it in the chat, huh? So now 1440p. Oh! Oh! Do you have Diablo 4? I had massive compatibility problem with Cosmic during a beta. It was a deal breaker for me. Yes, I have Diablo 4. But I'm gonna have to log in, right? Yeah, those are pretty good numbers, dude. But this don't take this test as relevant, right? But we had a lot of previous distro when we tried it. We were stuck at 400 FPS in 1440p. And here you can see, like, you can push it to the max, no problem. So it might be related to the distro or whatever, but like, it's not bad, chat. But don't take, again, like, don't take this test as relevant, because we have a lot of like disparity with this test in particular. But man, like 4K, 360 FPS, my man. Oh la 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 la, chat. This looks so good, chat. This is disgusting. This is actually disgusting. So let me try a game with the sensitivity, dude. It seems like it doesn't support raw input. There is something wrong with the input, chat. No, I'm not in 5K. What the heck? Okay, I don't know why I have all those. Yeah, I guess this is correct. My capture card is doing stuff, I think. Okay, disabled. Here, FPS max 0. Alright. Okay, show FPS 1, yes. Alright, so let's play. Oh, the sound is really loud. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I don't think there is raw input, dude. There is something wrong with the input. Yeah. I can't move my mouse, dude.
I see them.
Yeah, I can't move, dude. I can't move, chat. Time to go back to keyboard only with the numpad. So yeah, I can't move the rest, right? Yeah. It seems super smooth, dude. This is a bug you are talking about? When did you get the bug, Vexy? Boomer mode enabled? It's true, man. It's a non-bugs that are working on it. Got it. Okay, so, man. So let's see if we have the same bug in a game which doesn't run native. Let's see. Try Wayland mode. CS2 on Linux is a disaster. Oh, man, I think the CS2 on Linux is a hit or miss. Well, I wouldn't say it's a disaster. This is not what I would call a disaster, dude. But yes, like, it could be a hit or miss. Okay, so this one doesn't even want to launch. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one doesn't launch. Let's see. Let's try Arc Raiders. Damn, dude. So it's, you can tell, like, we tried, like, what? 3 game, 1 doesn't launch. So 1 on 3 so far. So it might not be representative of, you know, everybody's experience. But so 4 game, 1 doesn't work. My bad. 4 game. Now it's gonna be 5th one. Okay, this one seems to launch. Salut Luca Horvat. Every game works for me. If someone knows a game that is not easy to run on Linux, please name it. Valorant. Player Unknown Battleground. Escape from Tarkov. Call of Duty, whatever. And so on. Oh, it's the end of the season? Man, I didn't even play. It feels bad, dude. I didn't even play, chat. Yeah. Battlefield 6, true. It's fine, chat. Who cares? Like here, we are more testing like the games that work on this G versus the one that does not work on the G, right? Man, I have way less FPS. What are my settings there? Ah, that's why. Bon, but like, you really need to stop like putting me in 5K. Like, what is this? So what would be a freaking 4K, chat? No. No, dude! I can see, like... I need to remove those. Yes. Yeah. No, dude! I'm done. I can't use the keyboard. I'm so upset, chat. I don't think he's gonna start with the correct... No, the issue is like my capture card declared my screen as a 5K. It's not a 5K. So the game starts with freaking 5K, dude. Yeah, look, he's doing it again. I'm toast. I'm Jude, man. Is this a problem related to Cosmic? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's Cosmic issue, dude. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Do I want to do that now? Oh, man. Bro. Like, that's the type of thing I just don't have the patience anymore, chat. Watch, the ED, like, you see it there. There is something wrong with it. It doesn't make sense. Because he see it well. It's just in this desktop environment that I see that. Is it the X11 scaling? Yeah, maybe it is, dude. Let me check something. What is the command? Don't even remember it, chat. Because I copy it normally. There you go. Okay. Proton enable Wayland equal 1. Proton enable Wayland equal 1. Okay, this is the one, right? Proton, enable Wayland equal 1. Yeah, allez. So let's start this way. Like that, we bypass all the rest, right? Nothing is better than having Air Max struggle on a Wednesday, meaning I'm so done with my work week and my life ends so bad. Okay. So it's related. Listen, dude. It's related to the DE chat. That's why I have those. Come on, dude. Extrême, my man. Oh, comment il va, Extrême? After years, you have always the same face and the same head. I confirm. What's up, bud? How are you, Extreme? Okay, so this thing is broken again, chat. So you can't run Wayland native game. I'm gonna try again. It's true, lol. I used to watch you when you play PUBG. So I know Extreme for like I don't know, 30 years maybe. So it goes way further than PUBG, dude. Which means like I'm a pretty good looking guy. That's the way I see it, dude. Hey, voila! You see, chat? No BS here. So this is chat. Something important to learn. It's like the DE enforce some type of weird resolution. Right? This will be the learning today. Right? It's not related to anything else. This is a DE because when I bypass it, the scaling from Cosmic, then it works. Who does Nick? What's up? To be fair, all I play on my Cosmic Kashi laptop is Mega Bonk. Fair. Okay, Extreme. Okay, dude. Okay. Okay, so now we have the other weird bug, dude. So this I need to change the scheduler, right? To not have this anymore. Like this game doesn't like Wayland. Now the real question is that if I go back to non-Wayland, is it gonna launch properly, right? No, it has nothing to do with Proton. It just... Yeah, it's because we enable Wayland, so it doesn't like to run like native Wayland, the compositor. Long story short, that will be the learning here. Oh, boy. Alright. Start again. What is the current CPU governor? Yeah, it doesn't impact me, the CPU governor with my machine. I can put the CPU governor to whatever, it doesn't change anything. And the shader were compiled. You can see it bottom left in the game, why it's compiled or not. And it was compiled. So, you see at the bottom here? Up, compiled. Yeah. Okay, so let's try. Now we know what it is, okay? We know it's the X11 stuff. All right, so we know this is it. So display. Where is it? Where are you, Papa? Where are you? X11. Maximum compatibility. I'm gonna go with maximum capability, okay? Alright, and we're gonna relaunch it. Prefer display for game and full screen application. Yes. Oh, maybe this was the one, chat. So like that is gonna lock in the resolution. Maybe this is the option here. Okay, let's do it again. Allez, I want to believe, chat. We're gonna fix that. Come on. So stretch. Are we gonna do like that's what she says? Bad joke each time we have some type of like comment like that? Darn. I'm frustrated, dude. That's what he said. Okay. Whatever you think, dude. Whatever you think, broski. But this is the source. I guarantee it, dude. I guarantee it. Okay, it's an application. Holy cow. Okay. This game on resolution is so much better. I hate you. Ah! Yes! Yes! Et voilà, chat, easy. Listen, you call me if you have a problem. Look at this, dude. Fixed. Oh, okay, so now what it does is just, dude, it just runs the game in 1440p. So it's just the scaling, man. This scaling is just atrocious. I'm gonna go straight to the point, dude. We have a scaling problem. Game and full screen X11 application may not match your resolution. Optimize for gaming. Allez, optimize for gaming. Allez, papa. Allez, optimize for gaming, dude. Allez. Okay, we're gonna try all of them. Yeah, I don't understand what they're doing. So scaling is no scaling, but resolution modifier. So the base resolution is change, and yes, it's kind of like what it is, dude. And then scaled. Because 1440p by 1.5 is 4K. Ah, voilà. We did it, chat. Okay, we did it. Eh ben. My man. Well, it seemed like a hacky implementation, kind of expected from a first release. Yeah, it's fine. It's just like, imagine you are a new user and, you know, you are messing this up. Us, we have the patience, right? I crash stuff every day, so it's fine. Okay, yeah, and the... Bro, so first thing first is like, I can't do more than 360 or whatever. I can't turn more here. I'm pushing my mouse. I can't do it. And the input is wrong. This is so odd. It's like I'm hitting a wall here. I'm like, pop, pop. So it's smooth. So we're playing in 4K, right? But I can't move my mouse, chat. Maybe I will stick to GNOME for a few years. I think they're gonna fix it, chat. But you see, if I want to turn right, I can't. Look. Pop, 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 pop. Allez, go right. So little by little, I go a little bit more. But... Alright, so... Yes. It's not ready, chat. The performance is not bad. Like... But, yeah. I'm frustrated, chat. I'm frustrated because I think they could do like crazy good. I don't even know if we should do the bench now. Because are the bench really relevant, knowing that it just doesn't work, it's not playable? Do we need to do the bench? I can do them for the lols, but... Okay, let's do them. Maybe remove the game run command. It's not there anymore, brother. I removed it. It was not there anymore. Right? I honestly think it's not ready to bench. I think it's not. But... borderless, too many monitors. There is only one monitor right now plugged into the PC. I'm doing a pass-through. Has nothing to do with Proton. Like, this is related to the D. There is a problem with the mouse. So, first problem is Mouse doesn't work on Counter-Strike 2. Second problem, when the mouse work, sensitivity is wrong. Third, you can do more than 360 in a game. So there is something related to the input. 5 issue will be related to the scaling of X11 application.
Hello, Ziggy. Thanks for having me.
And on top of that, we might have also like a little decrease in terms of performance. Not that much, but it's there. Like 2-3%.
No. Fortunately, the streets.
Mouse is escaping the game window. It could. Okay, so here it's good, you see? Oh no, it's not. Okay. Okay, here it works. So really depend on the game, huh, chat? Settings, video, 4K. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove that. I'm gonna go in 1440p chat. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna restart the game, dude. And we're gonna do a bench. Salut Vindicify, what's up? For me, it was different from game to game. While testing a week ago, I concluded I could not use at the desktop. Yes. Yeah, I think we're gonna land on the same discussion. At least, I think like if you are using your desktop for something else than gaming, it's fine. Or if your game works, you don't care. Like we have a user like has been playing like Mega Bonk and had no issue, right? So if the game you play with work, it's fine, right? I guess. But I would say for most of the game, it doesn't work. Okay, that's the settings I run normally. We'll see. I never had the issue related to the mouse escaping the screen on KDE, and I had like a free screen setup for years. So maybe on GNOME, I don't know. But KDE it works. Here it's something else, right? It's not the mouse escaping the screen. It's like, I don't know. I legit don't know what the heck is going on. Fazy, my man, how are you doing? Is it out of beta now? Yes. It has been released 1 week ago. So we are giving it a shot. Arnold, what DE are you using? Performance has been decent, to say the least, but not as good as KG. I would say like 5% under, 3% under. So here it's super good, chat. So here it would be exactly the same amount of FPS we would get. Wow, it's actually better here. Watch. 237, chat. Whoa. Let's go back at it. Yeah. So it's pretty good, dude. Okay. So here we have good performance. Luca or that, I would go with CachyOS. CachyOS is the top 3. Like CachyOS, Basite is not bad. PKOS is not bad either. Nobara is not bad too. Like those 3 or 4 1. GLFOS if you like NixOS. Like game which are like more oriented like perf/gaming. With people who are actively working on it, like you can see, like there is a difference. Okay, so let's do Red Dead Redemption. Just go back to 4K. I'm gonna switch all my testing to 4K, chat. But you can tell, like the mouse speed is wrong because when I'm in game, it goes way too fast on my screen. I can feel it right away. So it's definitively something related to the way they handle like the mouse input inside the DE or the compositor. I don't know exactly how it works, but this is way too fast, dude. Something is odd. I don't know how to explain it. But like the fact that you can't even turn around in Counter-Strike 2, like it gives you an idea of where we are at. Are you using the newest NVIDIA driver or the stable? Maybe acceleration material. No, I disable it, chat. Watch, I'll show you, dude. You can go there, input, mouse, and it's disabled. You see? So we set up everything correctly. I'm telling you, there is just a problem. Vexy had the same. It's something else. It's something else. I don't know what it is, dude. I don't know. Something with the way they scale stuff. When you switch resolution, like something on the back end. I don't know what it is. Okay, so let's try Red Dead Redemption. And see what type of performance we get out of this. Allez Bobby, au travail! I had that in GNOME too, even with acceleration off, but it was like GNOME 43. Yeah, like this is still a work in progress type of stuff, right? So we need to give it time. I really like the bass. I really like... Yeah, I'm repeating myself, but I like their vision. I like what they are trying to do here. We are a little bit early, dude. So I don't want to be, you know, breaking the project and say, oh, it's bad, because it's definitively not bad. You can tell what they want to do, right? The idea is that, you know, you can have a tiling Windows Manager here and having a non-tiling one there and then something else here. It's just awesome, dude. Like this is really cool. But then it's like... how do you deliver, right? Yeah. Okay. Confirm. I won't touch anything. I'm just running the benchmark. Okay, chat. So I wish I was a gamer, but Diablo 3 and Doom Dark Ages at 80 FPS is more than enough for me. Not an FPS chaser. I'm not an FPS chaser, dude. I just want to make bench for everybody to have an idea where they're gonna land with their hardware, right? Valve is the money behind gaming on Linux, and they pay the KDE dev to be on the cutting edge for the gaming-related stuff. Fair. Yeri-san, welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club, Papa. Thank you very much. 4 months subbing. And pull the trigger on a ProArt X870E. Let's go! Merry Christmas, buddy. Enjoy. Enjoy, dude. Congrats. You're gonna love it. I love mine. Don't forget to upgrade the firmware though. Like they make a firmware upgrade every month almost, which is cool. But yeah, a lot of firmware upgrades, that's for sure. Try it with Gamescope. Yeah, Gamescope and Nvidia, it's not that bad. It's not that great, dude. Joyeux Noël, mon cher Marseillais. Joyeux Noël. Sorry, I missed the spec. What GPU here? It's a 5090, dude. So 5090, Nvidia with Gamescope, it's kind of me right now. I think you choose 1440p. Yes, because we are comparing my previous benchmark on KDE and CachyOS with this one. And the thing is, like, I didn't own a 4K screen there, right? So I put it back to 1440p. We're gonna have to do a big session of like benchmark everything in 1440p and 4K and etc. to start fresh. To kind of like make a new line, right? In terms of performance, the baseline. I don't have it yet. I just wanted to test Cosmic today because some of you have been asking it for like freaking month, and each time I said no because it was still in alpha, was not released, and I didn't want to break them. Like, you know, I didn't want to be this guy which is just like saying this is bad while it's still in alpha, right? I will keep that in mind. I got a $300 discount. What? Bro! How did you get $300 discount? It's like 50% discount, dude, on the hardware. How did you do that? Are you gonna make a stream on Wednesday, Friday, 24, 26, and 31 December? No. I don't think I will, dude. Maybe the 31st. But yeah, it's gonna be slow in terms of stream for the coming weeks. Friday, like next Friday I will be there. But for the rest, I can't guarantee I'm gonna be around or not. And also beginning of January. But I would say like Cosmic right now versus Cosmic 3 or 4 months ago, it's night and day, dude. Because most of the game I couldn't even launch them. Oh, why is it shooting in the wheel? I never noticed that. Buy it in Sweden in a store, it's $750, but it was $450 on Amazon through Asus Store. Man, congrats, dude! You're gonna love it. He has a family, and because the 5090 purchase is cooking Christmas dinner. Dude. Yeah. 191? What the? Guys, are we crushing this? Dude, it's running better here too. I'm wondering if we had some type of like upgrade in between, right? But I would say when the game work, they work pretty well, dude. Right? When the game work, they run pretty well. This is really cool, chat. No, they're onto something, dude. It's just not ready yet at 100%. That would be my takeaway, man. Yeah. But they cooked. I'm gonna try to launch this one. Don't know why it didn't launch. Yeah, it doesn't want to launch. Launch, okay. So there is only one game that doesn't want to launch. Right? Otherwise, everything is cool. I'm wondering if BattleBit is just broken now, because they're in a phase of like launching a new update, so no, I can't launch that. The SDL is only like usable with native game terminal velocity. So there is no point of doing that. BattleBit run through Proton. So So 4K transformer performance, dude. And I can turn as much as I want. But the scaling is not right. My mouse, it goes way too fast. So they need, like, this is a problem. Right? I believe Cosmic is gonna be the best DE at some point. Man, I really wish we have more competition, right, overall? Man, I have to say, like, this is working very, very well, dude. It's just the way they manage the mouse input, it doesn't feel right, chat. But all the rest is great. All the rest is great. Now I'm really curious to see how everything is gonna perform on Pop OS. Because I didn't touch Pop OS for like so long, chat. So I'm thinking, like, is it gonna be like the time where finally, like, they go back into, you know, like the Linux gaming scene? It could be the time, dude. Because I remember when I switched to Linux for my desktop, right? Pop OS was always like top of the line. Everybody was like, oh, Pop OS, Pop OS. And it was mainly top of the line because they had an easy integration of the NVIDIA driver. This one doesn't launch either. I think we have to wait for 26.04 for it to really shine. Yeah, this one doesn't launch either, chat. Like, why? So, Battle Beats. Ah! Not launching. Oh, okay, now it's launching. Nice. Okay. He didn't compile the shader. I'm fine with it, but...
I will not rest until I return to my world once more.
Yeah, this is so odd. So here the sense is fine. Ah, maybe not. Maybe fast. I don't know. Man, the perf is really good, chat.
That's 3! Wow, 4 in a row!
Mind over matter.
5! That's amazing! 6 in a row! Way to go! Unbelievable!
Unbelievable! So what resolution are we playing in right now? Oh, 4K, bro! What the? Look at those FPS, chat!
You're mine.
Double KO! That's 3!
Dude!
Wow, 4 in a row!
Yeah, it's just a freaking sensitivity. Yeah, I think it's too fast. So it's the same here.
5! That's amazing! 6 in a row! Way to go! Unbelievable!
They just keep falling. You're mine. Your day ends, demon.
Double KO! That's 3!
What
Okay.
disgrace.
Scaling? Yeah, just scaling, not frame gen. Just scaling. Yeah. Oh, it's working well, dude. Like, I have to say, like, they did a good job, chat. Let's try this. I just plugged the controller. We'll see if it goes. Oh, this one doesn't launch either. Ah. Okay. Oh. No controller support, chat. No controller support. Uh-huh. So I know the UDEV, they are correctly set in the game. In the distro. So I'm wondering of the. Okay, and this one and on this one is gonna be working. I have no idea what's going on, chat. I have no idea, dude. Okay, full screen, yeah. Up! I lost it. Okay. Let's do a run real quick. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, okay. Sound will be really loud. I'm sorry about that, chat. So that could be a good, interesting. Oh, you can do by. You see, I can't set the sound by application. This car is so fun to drive, dude.
Into 3 left, 30, 4 left, don't cut, 1 right, opens over crest. Into 2 right, don't cut 2 left long, opens and tightens. Into 5 right,
whoa, the turbo!
caution, tightens 2, wrong. Into
Break!
6 right, into 2 left long. Opens over crest, 6 right, into cut 5 left, opens 150. 2 right, opens 4, extra long, 50. 4 left, tightens 3 over bridge, 30. 4 left long, opens, into 5 right, 100. Narrow 4 right, into short, 6 left, 40. 4 right, open 6, and crest into 2 left, don't cut. Into 5 right long, 3 left long, tightens 2.
Man, I love this game, dude.
6 long of a crest, into 1 right long. Opens 30, small cut, left long.
Ah, the turbo! I knew it!
3 right long of a crest, into 4 left.
More!
Right, into 4 left long, into 5 right, into cut 3 left long, into 5 right of a crest, into cut 5 left, into 6 right, opens 50, 3 right, cut 5 left,
Whoa!
6 right of a crest, into 4 left long, small cut, 50. 3 right long, opens, into cut 5 left,
Whoa!
4 right, into 3 left, tighten a small cut. Into keep right over 50, 4 right, 100, 5 left, cut late, extra long, 30.
The turbo, dude!
Cut 6
Man, like...
50. 6 right long. Cut 6 left.
No!
Into 6 right. Cut 4 left. Into 6.
The turbo! Ah! The car, it's a really nice car, but when you arrive in the turbo, like the turbo just make like the wheel like spin on the back, and I lose control each time I push too hard. Like this is hard, man. Like, this turbo management is really hard. It's a really, but I love driving it because, you know, it puts pressure on you, right? Okay, nobody saw that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right, 100. 3 left, 150. 2 left, extra long, tightens. Into 3 right, don't cut. Opens over crest. Into 5 right long.
Yet up the turbo again. You see?
Into 3 left, 30, 4 left. Don't cut.
No, no.
Opens over crest.
No.
Into 2 right. Don't cut 2 left long. Opens and tightens. Into 5 right over crest. Extra long.
Because here I have the option, right? I'm like, do I push the accelerator until the turbo kind of lands,
Into 6 right.
or do I just push the next gear?
Opens over crest.
And honestly, sometimes it's just better to push the next gear.
Left. Opens 150. 2 right. Opens 4. Extra.
And you see, I would like to have like the pedal here just to play with the clutch. You know?
4 left tightens.
When I feel the turbo is like insane, instead of braking, I just destroy the clutch. You know what I mean?
Opens. Into 5 right. 100. Narrow 4 right. Into short. 6 left. 40. 4 right. 6. And crest into 2 left. Don't cut. Into 5 right long.
This car is like a tractor, dude.
Left long. Tightens 2. Opens.
Whoa!
Of a crest. Into 1 right long. Opens 30.
Whoop!
3 left long. Into 3 right long of a crest. Into 4 left. Into 4 right. Into 4 left long.
No!
Into 5 right. Into cut 3 left long. Into 5 right of a crest. Into cut 5 left. Into 6 right. Opens 50. 3 right. Cut 5 left. Into 6 right of a crest. Into 4 left long. Small cut. 50. 3 right long. Opens. Into cut 4 left. 4 right. Into 3 left. Tighten small cut. To keep right over 50. 4 right.
Allez, we got this chat.
5 left, cut late, extra long, 30. Early, 5 right to the crest, cut 6 left.
No!
Is that a puncture at the front? 6 right long, cut 6 left, into 6 right, cut 4 left. Into
This guy is
6
so
right,
hard, chat. Ah, no! Okay, I'm out. Okay, the game works, okay? He's the reincarnation of Paul Walker. Mort mais digne. Dude! The turbo is singing like a canary. Dude, like, this car is awesome. Want me to try to finish it like that?
5 right, into 5 left of the crest, into 6 right long, 30. Into 7, 3 right.
Whoa! Dude! Oh, the olive tree!
4 left, big cut, into 7, 3 right. Into 4 left, 30. 2 right, tightens. 4 left, 30. 2 right, tightens. Into 2 left, extra long. Opens 120.
Are you playing with the mouse and keyboard? No, no.
Crest, into 3 right long, tightens. Into cut, 5 left.
I'm playing with listen to this motor.
Into 3 right, extra long over crest, 50. 3 left long. Into 5 right. Into 4 left long.
I'm playing with the gamepad. Dude.
Small cut, 6 left. Into 3 right, extra long, tightens. 30. Six left, extra long.
You can feel like the propulsion, like the car is like boop boop. Look, boop. It's like this thing is, dude. This thing is a death wish. That's why I love it so much. Like it's really, really hard to drive, but it's so fun at the same time.
50 over finish, 100 to stop.
We did it! It's just a surface scratch, it will buff out. Man. Can I watch it? View replay, yes. Look at this chat. Wop, wop! Look how cool it looked too. This is Dirt Rally 2. I bought it for $5. It's so good, like this game is so good. Dude. Look at this style. Wop 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 wop. Whoa! Started like that. $5 still, yeah, during the... If you wait for the Steam sales, you can get it for super cheap, dude. Yeah, you can take... you can tell, like, I don't take the curve I'm supposed to take them. But not bad, still. Until the crash, dude. Oof. You see how the rear goes like in the sideways? Each time I push the accelerator, it's like... Oh! Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, yeah, it was fine. How did I get out? I don't remember. Man, I was good! It looks like you're fighting the car. I am! Like, this car is really hard. I don't know if you own the game. Like, you should try this car. Oh! Oh, no. This is where everything went wrong. The Tree of Doom. Dude. Open source guy, what's up? Am I late again? Yes, you are a little bit late. That's fine.
Right. Into
Nice rally driver. Yeah. They took the model out of me.
2, 1. 6 right. 100.
The moustache.
150. 2 left. Extra long. Tightens. Into 3 right. Don't cut. Opens over crest. Into 5 right long. Opens 30. 2 right long. Into 3 left.
Oh!
30. 4 left. 1 right. Opens over crest.
Like, I want to push, right?
Into 2 right.
But this thing is so powerful, like...
Opens and tightens. Into 5 right over crest. Extra long. Caution. Tightens 2. Into 6 right. Into 2 left long. Opens over crest. 6 right. Into cut 5 left.
Did...
50. 2 right. Opens 4. Extra long. 50. 4 left tightens 3 over crest.
Shit.
30.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
4 left long, opens, into 5 right, 100, now 4 right, into short, 6 left, 40, 4 right, opens
Oh.
6, and crest into 2 left, don't cut, into 5 right long, 3 left long, tightens 2, opens 6 long of a crest, into 1 right long. Opens 30. Small cut. 3 left long. Into 3 right long of a crest.
Dude.
Into 4 left.
Whoa!
Right. Into 4 left long. Into 5 right. Into cut. 3 left long. Into 5 right of a crest. Into cut. 5 left. Into 6 right. 50. 3 right. Cut. 5 left. Into 6 right to a crest. Into 4 left long. Small cut. 50. 3 right long. Opens. Into cut. 4 left. 4 right. Into 3 left. Tighten small cut. Into keep right over 50. 4 right. 100. 5 left. Cut late. Extra long. 30.
Another tree.
Early, 5 right to a crest, cut 6 left, 50.
Another tree.
Cut 6 left, into 6 right, cut 4 left, into 6 right, cut 6 left, 5 right, into 5 left of a crest, into 6 right long, 30. 4 left big cut, into sudden 3 right. Into 4 left, 30. 2 right, tightens. Into 2 left, extra long, opens 120.
No.
Crest, into 3 right.
No.
Tightens. Into cut, 5 left. Into 3 right, extra long of a crest, 50. 3 left long. Into 5 right.
Whoa! No!
Into 4 left long.
No, chat! So unfair.
Small cut, 6 left, into 3 right, extra long, tightens. 30. 6 left, extra long, tightens 4. 30. 5 right long, caution 30. 1 right. Slow 50, turn, happy right. 50 over finish, 100.
Oh, dude! On straight, don't be afraid, floor it. Man, you don't realize. Like, you don't realize how hard it is. Like, this is hard. Like, this car is legit hard. Look at the color I choose to.
Five, 6 right, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 right, 100. 3 left, 150. 2 left, extra.
Allez, papa.
Tightens. Into 3 right, don't cut. Opens over crest. Into 5 right long, opens 30. 2 right long. Into 3 left, 30. 4 left. Don't cut. 1 right, opens over crest. Into 2 right. Don't cut. 2 left long.
Oh man!
Tightens. Into 5 right over crest.
Come on.
Extra long. 2 long. Into 6 right. Into 2 left long. Opens over crest. 6 right. Into cut 5 left. Opens 150. 2 right. Opens 4. Extra long. 50. 4 left tightens. 3 over bridge.
Oh, not the bridge! Not the bridge!
4 left long. Opens. Into 5 right. 100. Now 4 right. Into short. 6 left. 40. 4 right. 6. Crest into 2 left. Don't cut.
So when I put the camera on the front, it's easier for me to see the trajectory, right? Because when you see it from behind like that, it's harder for me to see where the heck I'm going. I don't know how to explain.
3, 2, 1. 6 right, 100. 3 left, 150. 2 left.
You're like,
Tightens. Into 3 right, don't cut. Opens over
dude,
crest.
it is so hard. Okay, I'm out. So it works. No crash, good performance on this game, no problem. Let me try something else. Yeah. Let me see. Allez, papa. Did we do it? Yes. I think we did. Okay, so this we can remove. All the game launch. Pretty sweet. Alt tab, no? Oh. No. How do I do that? Allez, tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay, please. I hear the wave, no? I hear something. Ah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, something is odd. Yep. Alright. There is something odd with the way they like upscale the game. I don't know what they're doing in the background. which is fine, but... Just as you said it was going well, I know. It's fine. It's fine, chat. I'm actually super surprised. I really thought we'll have way... Yeah, something is really odd now with the screen. I'm gonna restart. So, you don't see it on stream, but everything is flickering on my hand. Like, hardcore flippering, chat. So, please don't kill my screen. I'm gonna restart. It's just not there yet. It's just not there. At least we tried it, okay? I'm repeating myself, but I would say this is a big improvement compared to my latest test. Sorry, and taste. We can see it this way too. It was not running as well before. I couldn't even launch a game. This could be a really promising desktop chat. That's the way I see it. Because I don't want this thing to come out negative. It's not negative. Some of the performance is already like almost at the top. Like defying some D like KDE. Right? For the first release. There is some little feature missing. I don't think it's a game breaker. Oh yeah, now it doesn't work anymore, chat. Each time I move my mouse, it's all flickery on my screen. Never had that before. So I'm gonna remove the variable refresh rate, see if it changed something. Okay, so I remove refresh rate. It just needs some work and TLC. Yeah, it doesn't like 144 Hz anymore. Nobody knows why. So let me turn off my screen. I hope it's not my screen, dude. Maybe we killed my screen. How do we turn off this thing? Yeah, turn off. Okay. So it will be serviceable soon if they keep working on it. Yeah. I legit hope it's gonna be the case. So I did one alt tab. And since then, I can't get my screen to work, chat. It's just flicker. Poof, 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 poof. Okay. Great. Les problèmes, chat. What's the problem? We lost our screen. This is a problem. I'm trying to switch to TTY. See if I can wake him up, but... Nope. Okay, I'm gonna do a hard reset. I will be right back, chat. But the good news is like Bobby is still alive, huh? Allez. We want to believe, chat. Now maybe he made my my capture card tilt. Bobby is the only constant in the universe. Don't know about that either. Yeah, maybe my capture card just chilled. Okay, I have no signal nowhere, dude. Whoa! Maybe it's time to end the stream. I think I broke it, chat. I think I broke it with the Alt tab. But I don't know what I broke. Maybe I broke the capture card. Maybe I broke... I don't know, I broke something, chat. Because I can't get anything right now. No screen, nothing, dude. Which is pretty scary to say the least. You guys are still here, right? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna try to restart it again. Doesn't look good. Yeah, but I can't even boot. I can't even see what's happening right now. Like my screen doesn't... So that's another thing I noticed with the OLED. It seems pretty fragile, chat. Like it's cool and everything, but... Yeah, I have no signal. Okay. Okay. Alright, Bobby, don't move. Alright. It's crazy that I had to do a on and off type of thing to just go back on track. It is pretty scary, chat. I won't lie to you. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to put CachyOS. Like I have an old installation of CachyOS there, just to see what's happening with CachyOS KG, and see if I nuked. If I just nuked Cosmic or not. So what we're gonna do on Friday, I'm gonna test alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna see the update, see what I need to update. And see what the heck is going on there. Yeah, no, it's working. So yeah, I think we knocked it, dude. So I would say like it's not stable too, like it's not stable yet, right? Because I just launched another installation right now. I'm gonna show it to you guys. What is this? Oh my gosh, I have a 3 gigabyte. Look, you see it's working. So I'm in 4K, 144 Hz, everything works, right? I can put it automatic here, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine, yeah. So it is an issue of stability overall on the way you manage display, right? Oh man, start to add up, huh, this story, chat? It needs polish, but a little bit more than polish, I would say. Right? Oh well. Okay. So, screen is fine. It's just cosmic, chat. So it's not bad. Like, again, it's not bad, but you can see in like 3 hours of testing and playing around, we find a lot of crack related to gaming. So I'm not even going to go through the content creation part. I don't think it's going to be relevant, to be fair. Because it used pipe wire, so I'm pretty sure like capturing the screen and everything is going to be okay. It's going to be more around like gaming. Issue with gaming. So we found issue with shortcut. We found issue with mouse acceleration. Not mouse acceleration, but just like mouse sensitivity in game versus not in game. We found scaling issue with X11 game. We found that game that run on Wayland doesn't run like properly, right? Like the pure Wayland had some type of issue on Cosmic, which I didn't encounter with other distro. What else could I say? We're gonna try Pop OS, okay, on Friday. So in 2 days, we're gonna try Pop OS and see where it lands. That's all for me, chat, today. We tried it. Friday we tried Pop OS. We see what they're doing with new release, how it's implemented. Like if they had like more stuff than what we discover today. I'm just impatient to see like when it's gonna be finally cooked, right? I think when it's gonna be cooked, this could be a banger, but now it's kind of like still in development a little bit. It's fine. All right, chat. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for the crazy dono today. Thank you for the crazy new member renewal of membership. Thank you for the gifted membership too, guys. What can I say? See you in the next one. Bisous, bisous. It was Cosmic Epoch first release test on the stream. Yes.